Communist Party had won the Chinese Civil War and by 1950 had occupied Xinjiang and Tibet. They closed down the Indian consulate in Xinjiang, and an India, busy with internal problems, lets the incident slide.
One of the most crucial events which happened was the annexion of Xinjiang and the takeover of Kashgar. India had a consul general in Kashgar. His name was Captain Ramsate. He was originally from army, but he had joined the foreign service. Now China came and decided to close down, and India didn't react. I think it was one of the biggest and the first blunder.
China then turned to Ladakh, the borders of which had not been formalized since the Treaty of Chushul.
In the Ladakh sector, in the western sector, again the borders were left more or less as they were, and people can go they can travel 4-5 kilometers this way or that way without really being in a sure position to say whether it's Chinese territory or Indian territory. Suddenly we find that the Chinese are sitting right on our borders, breathing down our backs.
Nehru, also the External Affairs Minister, had received worrying intelligence from Lhasa on Chinese deployment in Tibet. He realized that Kashmir was fighting enemies on both her external borders. Perhaps for the reason, he decides to take a path of appeasement with the Chinese. Which was how India